Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everybody. We were learning about the harakats Fatah, Kasr, Lam and Sukun. How we have to pronounce Arabic alphabet if Fatah is above the alphabet and Kasr is below the alphabet and Sukun and Lam is above the alphabet. Let's go up with few more examples. If Fatah is above the alphabet Swad, we have to recite it as Swa. If Lam is above the Swad, we have to recite it as Su. If Sukun is above the Swad, we have to recite it as Su. If Kasr is below the Arabic letter, we have to recite it as Swi. This one is V, V, Va, Vu, Mu, Mi, M, and Ma. K, Ku, Ki, Ka. This one is Tui, To, Tu, Tu. If Sukun is above Sheen, we have to recite it, we have to read it as Sh. If Fatah is above Sheen, it will be Sha. If Lam is above the Sheen, we have to read it like Shu. If Kasr is below the Sheen, it will be She. Ru, R, Ra, and Ri. This one is Ra, Ri, R, and Ru. If Lam is above the letter Dal, it will be Du. If Sukun is above the Dal, it will be D. If Kasr is below the letter Dal, it will be D. If Fatha is above the alphabet Dal, it will be Da. If Kasr is below Dal, it will be Ri. This one is Da, this one is Ru, and it is Ri. We'll come up with more examples in the next class. May Allah bless us.